Hey guys, FuzzyNop here. In this video series, I'm going to take you through writing a stack-based buffer overflow. Okay, now I already know that there's a lot of sources for stuff like this out there, and hopefully you know about those sources too. But I know that it's kind of hard to get into, and sometimes one explanation might not cover it all. And I know that I'm not going to be able to cover it all either. So what I want to do is sort of just take you through the basics, and then keep pointing you to other resources so that as you're going through this very simple example, you can go look at some more complicated things, and hopefully that will help you really grasp this material. That's the approach that I've been taking, and I feel that it's sort of really starting to pay off now, and I'm sort of just clicking with it. So I wanna share that enlightenment with you. Um, so I mean, this is really something that you're gonna have to kind of do more than once. It takes more than one video tutorial to really get the hang of it. So just consider this another example in your collection, and I'll make sure to point you to other examples so that you can practice and have fun with this. Okay, so real quick, I'm using a virtual machine. This is actually the virtual machine that came with the Hacking Art of Exploitation book. And I'm not using any of the examples from the book. I just I'm using it in the machine because it already has ASLR off and has all the tools that I need. So this is a simple program that I've written. It's written in C. All it does is make sure that you've supplied an argument. Then it takes that argument that you supplied, copies it into a 10-character buffer. If you're familiar with buffer overflows, this is like obviously a really easy one. So anything more than 10 characters is going to run right past this buffer and just get dumped out in the memory. Just for kicks, I've included a format string vulnerability in here too. The buffer gets printed back out to the screen, uses printf, and it does not use the right syntax. So we'll explore that later, maybe in another video, but for now we're going to write the buffer overflow. And then it returns. This return 0 is really important. We're going to explore more with this later, but for now I just want you to see the program that we have and what we're going to be working with for the rest of this video tutorial series. So real quick, I'm going to show you the command to compile it. We're using GCC. The source code is called vulnerable.c. I'm using the -g gdb switch. What that does is provides GDB with the information about the source code. So we can set breakpoints on lines of source code instead of setting breakpoints on lines of assembly. -o just says what it's going to be called, and I'm calling it TUT for tutorial. Hit enter, and that's it for this video. We have a file we're going to work with, sort of told you what's coming up. In the next video, we're going to pull up GDB, take a look at this program, and exploit the heck out of it. Okay? Thanks. If you like this video tutorial series, please subscribe.